IQ Touch Digital Signage Basic Series, an efficient, multifunctional intelligent digital signage solution. Powered by Android OS with 4GB RAM plus 32GB storage, it simplifies your visual content management. Equipped with an Android system, it features the built-in ETV Smart Inform system. Choose from 3 transmission modes: network mode for laptop backend management, ideal for in-office work; standalone mode for USB input; and phone mode for quick control via Android or iOS apps, ideal for not in office. In phone mode, connect your Android or iOS device to the same network, scan the QR code to bind, and use the ETV app to send content effortlessly. Whether it's text, images, or videos, display them on the big screen in just a few taps, perfect for quick updates on the go. In network mode, ideal for in-office regular work, log into the ETV backend on a laptop to upload content directly to the screen. Manage your signage with precision and control from your desk. In standalone mode, insert a USB flash drive, select files, and play them instantly. The IQ Touch Digital Signage Basic Series delivers seamless performance for any scenario, from retail promotions to corporate displays. With support for high-resolution content, intuitive controls, and multi-mode flexibility, it empowers you to engage your audience effortlessly and effectively. IQ Touch Digital Signage Basic Series, bringing your information to life anytime, anywhere. Contact us to learn more.